Hello, welcome to the Time Travelers Tribune. I am Cosette.
And I am Lene.
Lene, what are we offering?
Well, we are creating a mini history curriculum that comes in the form of a monthly newsletter.
So in the mail you will receive a newspaper, a historical story, probably in the form of a letter, and some other little trinkets that your children will enjoy. And it will also contain a project for your children to work on. Nothing too complicated, perfect for multiple age ranges, primarily 6 through 12. But just an immersive historical experience.
And I know everyone's wondering, will you be using AI in any part of this process? And the answer is no, we will not. We are building our logo from scratch. We came up with the name ourselves. We are figuring out the contents of the letter, and everything that we write will be written by us.
Welcome to our journey, and we hope that you stick around and join us.